Welcome to your practically brand new home in Brighton, built in 2022 and barely lived in. This stunning single-family residence combines modern design with comfort, offering everything you could want in a home, plus a little extra. Let's start with the heart of the home, an extra-large living area perfect for gatherings, game nights, or just unwinding after a long day. With durable LVP flooring and stylish granite countertops, this space is as functional as it is beautiful. Speaking of granite countertops, they're the highlight of your gourmet kitchen. Need room to spread out? This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a loft and an office. Whether you're working from home or need extra space for hobbies, this layout has you covered. And when it's time to enjoy the outdoors, step out into your fully landscaped yard. It's ready for barbecues, playtime, or just soaking up the sun on a lazy afternoon. Why settle for anything less when you can have it all? So if you're looking for a move-in ready home that's practically brand new, this is it. Don't miss your chance to own this gem in Brighton. Contact the Stag's Key team today to schedule your private tour.